Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome, and this is Mask Monday. Welcome to Mask Monday. I hope you're doing something to take care of yourself today. I'm just going to do these because I'm just not in the mood so much. This is the Beauty Bio. These are the eye masks that I got from Ipsy for $5, and there's 8 in here, and this is valued at $40. So let's put them on right quick. I have some questions to do, and I wanted to show you some other little things. We'll see how far we get. I want you all to know I have been exposed to COVID. Now, you know, over the few years, I'm sure I've been exposed to COVID before, but I actually know I've been exposed to COVID this time. So please pray for me. I have sinus issues pretty much 365 days a year. Well, I can't get this opened here. I'm trying to open this, and it's just laid right here. Oh, here comes smudge. Okay. But I have, my boss has it, and he didn't know he had it when he handed me something, and I took it from him and, you know, was holding it. I don't know if it spreads that way. I don't know. But he went to the doctor and found out he had COVID and went home. Because he always has sinus issues too, but he just wasn't feeling well. So they gave him medication, I think. I'm not sure what all. He just was exhausted, went home. So I really don't see my boss all that often through the day. Other people would be more exposed to him than me. And it's rare that he would hand me something, but he did on Friday. And I held it. So like I said, we didn't know. But anyway, what are you going to do? If I'm exposed, I'm exposed. I don't want it. So like I said, please pray for me. These are not wanting to stay on. Well, I think I might have them on backwards. I mean, not that, you know, it shouldn't be that way with a gel, but this seems like this is the back side of it. Okay. Anyway, I wanted to tell you all about my nails. I had put on these Valentine nails the beginning of February. I don't remember the exact date. I'd have to look at the calendar. Yeah, I'm not sure about these, but I'll show you in a minute what they're supposed to do for me. We'll see. And I have had so much trouble with this particular set. I would just want you to know that, because I know I am an affiliate for Dashing Diva, but I never want to lie to y'all. Most of the time I have a great success with them, but sometimes I put them on and in an hour a bunch are falling off, which is what happened to me. And that may be my prep. You're supposed to wash your hands, use the alcohol pad to clean your nails, and I thought I did all that, but who knows? What if I got interrupted? Who knows? And maybe I did everything right still and it didn't work. So it does happen. So I have extra stickers that I get. You can buy from Dashing Diva, but they're rather expensive, so I get them from Amazon. So you see there's different sizes. And I will peel off the backing of these and then put it on and try again. Well, I have reused several and still having trouble with them. So these are all the Valentine's set. There were also some that were tipped with pink. And then on this hand, let's see, these two are different nails. So what I do when I use my nails, and there's always a few left over, I keep them unless they're a design that I know I'm never going to get again. If I have designs that I know I'm going to get again because I do like them, then I keep the leftovers to use when I wear the next set. And if there's things that I know I'm not going to keep, or they go out, they don't have many more on the website, I keep all of the accent nails. So I have this nice container of all the accent nails. So that's what I did. I went in there and I got some. I had this set. They looked like a cow pattern with this black and white. Sorry, I'm not giving you the finger, but and that the white went well, so I put that on. And then this is an accent that I found that has a little bit of a pink hue to it with some glitter. So just to make them last, because I want them to last through Valentine's Day. That might be a little ambitious, but that's what I'm trying to do. And on this Beauty Bio, now that they're on, it feels very good. It's very soothing. They're pretty, have an opulence to it. Some, you know, they're supposed to, I don't know if you can see that, but look at this eye to this eye. I really don't have all those wrinkles, but if it make me feel better and look better, you know, I do. I've been having I have a lot, I have stuff. I'm getting old fast. Like it's hit me. Not sure what's, you know, I don't know what the deal is, but I know that like when my house was hit by the tornado, I feel like I aged 10 years, like overnight. And that's what I feel like has happened to me again. Anyway, so I've got some questions, and if it gets too long, I'll stop. But number one, video, these are the, what do you call them? This or that. Video, and these are just ones I've gotten off the internet, and I had a long list of them, and I've been doing them over months and months, and then I don't do them for a while. So video games or books. And y'all, I will say that I have never been, I'm older, so I'm not interested in video games. When my sister is 15 years younger than me, when she was young, video games were very big. And, you know, we got, you know, she got the thing, whatever, I don't even know what they're called, the PlayStation-y kind of things. I don't remember what the brand was back then. But she was so good at it, you know, and I, you know, so sometimes she'd want you to play with her. Well, Mario, I remember Mario Brothers, bump, 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 and he'd always fall. I could never get him to, I was like, I'd be looking at the controller and being like, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? And he'd fall. And she would not ever give me a break. She'd take the controller back. So then she'd have it for like 2 hours and I'd get it back for 1 minute. Like, I can't get him across that bridge or whatever, you know, that tunnel, whatever. So anyway, so definitely I like books better, much better. I've always loved books. Since I've had my YouTube channel, I have not really read very much, which is a little disappointing. Because I've always liked to read. And, you know, I am stuffy, but I have been stuffy for weeks. On and off, it comes and goes. So hopefully it's not COVID, y'all. Beach or the mountains? And I know I've answered this question before, but I like both so much, and I don't really get to go on those kind of vacations. So if I really just had to, all right, all of a sudden I have a free week and people to go with and the money to do it, I think I would like to go to the mountains. Because I've only been a couple of times. So, and the beach I've been to a lot. So that's probably what I would do. Silver or gold? I prefer, with my skin tone, I prefer gold jewelry. But I do wear a lot of silver jewelry. Or, you know, fake, you know. But I like the gold tones better on my skin. Pancakes or waffles? And I definitely prefer waffles. I love, love, love waffles. I hardly ever get them. I do buy the frozen ones sometimes. But pancakes, I like pancakes too, but I prefer waffles. Number 5 is delivery or sit-down restaurant. And there's not much that delivers here. It's easier for me if I want like a pizza or something just to go get it. They do deliver, but in Chicago, you could get anything delivered. Here, you know, not so much. So I don't know. I just like to go to a restaurant where you sit down and relax. And I don't mean like go to McDonald's and sit down and relax with friends. I want to go to a decent restaurant and get a sandwich or a salad or something. That I do enjoy that because it's time with friends. Well, family, but I don't have any family here. But it's time with friends that you just get to relax and enjoy an hour and a half together. So I do prefer to sit down at a restaurant with a friend. Car or truck? Here everybody has a truck. Like everybody has a truck. Trucks are a big deal here. A lot of, you know, double car homes. You know, the husband has the truck, the woman has something. And I have an SUV, and I've had an SUV since I lived in Chicago. And I really love them. I love how I always had cars before that and never really had any problem, but you get up into an SUV, whereas when I get into somebody's car, you know, nowadays, I feel like I'm sitting on the ground. I'm way low. And with my age, the SUV is easier to handle. And it is very much like a truck to me. You know, the back opens nice and wide, and it's level for your groceries and stuff. I really like it. I did have a truck. When I was married, we had a couple of different trucks, and when we divorced, I ended up with a small little Ford Ranger. They're small trucks, and I did have that for a little while until I got on my feet. And number 7 is television series or a movie. I don't get to watch much TV, y'all. I watch YouTube. When I have TV time. I have to watch YouTube, and I am so far behind on that. So please forgive me, all of my dear friends that have channels. I love you all. I really do. So nowadays, I do like some good television series. You know, like Bosch. Is that the name of it? I watched that. It took me a long time to watch it all, but it was really good. I think it was like 7 seasons. And there is a continuation to it, but I haven't seen any of it. I just like good mystery kind of things. And so once in a great while, once every couple of months, maybe I might sit down and watch a movie. I love to go to the movies, and I haven't done that in a very long time. I like to go with a gang of friends. I like us to get, you know, a popcorn and share it and candy and, you know, have a good time and enjoy the movie, the big screen. You know, I love that. And that was number 7. So number 8 is morning or night. And I am both. I'm a both person. I'm a morning person and a night person. I don't sleep much. So, but some mornings I just like, you know, here the weekend, I don't have the alarm ring. And I did not want to get out of bed this morning at all. It's Sunday when I'm filming this. I struggled and struggled to get out of bed this morning because I just don't get to sleep in very much. And the cats wake me up at 4 in the morning. You know, I got to get up and feed them and whatever. So, and that's my fault because I've let it happen. But I love the mornings. I feel if I sleep late, like past 7:30, that's a luxury to me, sleeping till 7:30. If I sleep past that, then I have wasted the day. That's how I feel. And I do like nighttime. I love if I'm outside, the moon and the stars. And I like to be able to watch the news at 10 o'clock and then go to bed. Anyway, that was 8. And then 9 is the big old question. The toilet paper goes over or under. And I know that it's supposed to go over. It's supposed to go over. Everywhere you go, it goes over. That I think is how, there's even something that's floating around on Facebook for years that says that's the patent, is that it goes over. I don't know if that's true or just a fake thing. But when you have cats, it goes under because if it goes over, they do this and you come home and your toilet paper is all on the floor, all rolled off the roll. The other way, they do this and it doesn't, it just keeps flopping, flop, flop. So that is my answer. So anyway, this feels very good. I'm going to leave, I forgot to read, how long do I leave it on? I know that I'm not going to have a new face when I take this off. So I'm going to leave this on for a little bit because it's feeling very good. It has colloidal silver, pearl, collagen, and aloe. And where does it say how long to keep it on? 10 minutes. Oh, well, I've had it on for 10 minutes already. I do like to keep my eye masks on for 20 to 30 minutes. So I don't think it's going to hurt me to do that. Unless you were to have a reaction to it. You could, you know, so you have to be careful with stuff. But anyway, I hope that y'all are doing well and having a good Monday. And do something today to take care of yourself. And have a wonderful week. And I hope to see you through the week, y'all. Take care and count your blessings.